Hi. You're probably thinking, Vanessa, what camera is this? Why are we looking like we're on a VHS camera? It's because you are on a VHS camera. Actually, on Vanessa's series of I get to do whatever I want because this is my YouTube channel, I am gonna take you along my night. It is Saturday night, February 1st. And I have a very odd schedule today. It's 6 p.m. I just finished cooking a lovely lunch for me and a new friend of mine. And I have 3 events I was planning on going to. I have a Zach Fox Check Dash DJ set at Soho House. I got invited to for free. I have a Lunar's New Year's party, like a house party. And I have a themed safari hunt birthday party. All 3 across New York. All 3 start at the same time. And I was debating so hard on what to do. But anyways, this is gonna be a vlog on my whole night. It's gonna be on this little camera. And it's gonna be raw, unfiltered. I'm gonna just post it. Because I'm just gonna keep doing whatever I wanna do. And this is a part of it. I think a lot of the videos I've been trying to post recently, I have a shit ton of footage from things. And, it is not getting edited right now. But if I take this, I go unfiltered and I just run it through and I have a half an hour, 20-minute, uncut, stuttering video on VHS. Who cares? If you want to watch this and you want to see how the night of Vanessa Gwen goes, then you can watch. It is gonna be you and me because I was gonna bring some friends to the DJ set, which is the first thing I'm going to, but I can't because it was only for me. So I'm gonna be lonely, I'm gonna be scared, but I have you, so we're gonna be fine, right? Yeah. First course of action is I have to update my little USB right now because, so fun fact, I also actually DJ. I don't do it often. I probably touch my DJ set or a DJ set once a month. It's enough for me to still call and mention the fact that I DJ, but it's not even that often. It's like for lore, you know what I mean? I just do it whenever. But I have an official DJ set at a club. I'm doing a club debut end of February, which is crazy, with my closest friends and most talented DJs. And my little brother. We're doing a back-to-back DJ set. But anyways, the house party that I'm going to at the end of the night invited me to DJ. So I was like, okay. So I'm updating my set right now. I'll show you some of the songs I'm gonna play. I know it's a crowd of people that aren't, well, it's a house party first off, so it's not gonna be a certain genre. It's gonna be, house party genre, like the classics, a little bit of Justin Timberlake, a little bit of Azalea Banks, that type of thing. And it's a lot of people that aren't really familiar with the DJ scene. A lot of NBs and femme, so more hot girl music, hot people music is what I'm going for. This is the energy I'm gonna be bringing to the house party.
Here we go.
Okay, that's it. I just wanted to show you that. Basically, that's what I'm downloading right now. Dinner check, fit check. You're probably thinking, Vanessa, you look a little different than you did a second ago. It's because I put a little bit of makeup on, just put a little eyeliner, did my hair. All I did was change my pants, because Lunar New Year's, so I have to, wear red. But also, I want to eat my dinner while I talk at you about how I think this night is going to go. This is a plate of leftovers. It is cold Turkish eggs. So it's Greek yogurt, chickpeas, broccolini, and a poached egg with za'atar on it. Yo, this grind hustle shit is miserable. Like, I swear to God. It was great though when I did it. Let me show you a picture. But first I made a blueberry matcha for my friend and I, so they could drink that while they waited for me to cook. but it was a good spread. Look at that. I got some meatballs with roasted pumpkin and garlic honey confit on that, my Turkish eggs, some charred broccolini, some sourdough. Kind of killed that shit, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. This is what it used to look like when I got this. Anyways, I'm gonna wash it down with some water. I'm gonna wash it down with a sun cruiser. Anyways, so I heard about Soho House, right? Soho House is like this big cool thing. There's so much going on there. It's like a elite of the elite. I don't know. I was like, that is a world I don't think I'll get into. Until today. My friend Chuck just hit me up randomly. And he's like, hey, are you free tomorrow? I'm like, yeah, what's up? He's like, do you want to go to watch me perform and just hang out? I was like, yeah, so down. So that's what I'm gonna do. I get to see Zach Fox at Soho House and get to say that I went to Soho. That's some clout right there. And thing is, I love being invited to things. I'm always so grateful for it. And so I'm already thinking, how can I repay Shaq for just putting me on guest list for no reason? One, I'm bringing you guys actually, my little VHS. Take some clips of him. Come support him. And also, I also do restaurant videography and photography as a side gig. And even though it's the first few months, I have some pretty good connections. I have someone that just invited me to a Michelin star omakase for yakitori, fried chicken skewers. I'm gonna bring him. I feel like that would be really good. This looks really sad. It looks like a small portion, but this is pure protein. There's nothing there. One, because I'm Asian and I'm a girl. But two, because I say that I work out a lot, but you can't really see it. And it pisses me off. If I had my friend's genetics, it'd be over. But, anyways, just eating this. The reason why I also eat so healthy is because when I go out. Like, I go drinking like crazy. I eat whatever I want. So, everything you have to do has to be in moderation, something I learned as a hedonist. So, I let myself have my fun when I'm out. When I'm at home, I'm eating shit like this. I don't know, it makes things more enjoyable when I go out. Feels like I earned it. Anyways, put Soho House in my outfit. I was like, okay, I have to wear something that looks good, but still like, yeah, I got some swag. So, I feel like being an Asian with a wolf cut already gives me some aura points, so that's good, right? I should eat like this, so you can see what I'm doing with my spoon. And I just uploaded everything to my little USB. And good news, I thought I had to cancel on my friend's birthday party, the safari themed one. I'm gonna wear some cat ears to that. I feel like that would go well, right? But I'm gonna go to that first. It's a 3-minute walk from Soho House. And then from there, go to Soho House, see the vibes, get some content, vibe there until 11:30. I want to see Zach Fox. For sure. And then go to the house party. Also, my goal is to get drunk, but safely, because I'm gonna be doing the day by myself and with you guys. And sorry, 1 second. And cheap. I'm gonna try to spend money on my own. Maybe I have this one guy on Twitter that sends me money. Whenever I go out for drinks or go out on dates and I have to pay for like the girl's drink, I just ask him, "Can you give me money for me to get a drink?" He's like, "Yeah, $100." But I asked him for money for Lunar New Year's, and I said, "Can you give me money for New Year's? I heard that if you give me money, you get good luck." And then he responded instantly. I was like, damn, I forgot that guys like that have no lives. All they do is just send money. He was like, "Oh, for a second I thought you said if I send you money I get good head." And he sent the rolling laughing emoji, which is the worst emoji I've ever seen. And so I blocked him. Who says that? Good head. Shut up. Cleared. This is a limited edition Polo Ralph ceramic. I got it in Vietnam. I got the whole collection, actually, in a little city. And it was just like a little random ceramic store where it's just like a thrift store but ceramics. I got this and 5 other guys in different outfits. $2 total, because it was by weight. Cleared. 8:18. I still got time. Can you see that? Is there anything there? No, it's okay. It'll be there soon. Anyways, drink some water. I will see you when I'm on my way out. Thank you for talking to me. Train.
And clear up the closing doors.
Just some really good pictures of myself. Do you guys want to see it? I'm a little late because I was just too busy with shit. They're pretty good though. I can't lie.
Attention everyone. If you have questions for future the NYC is located at the station. Transfer is available.
Few stops. My plan is to just go get a shot. Just go sell and get a shot with them.
This is an accessible
Say my hi. Soho House. That way, I don't get a shot at Soho House. It's cheaper, and I can just be drunk in socialize. Maybe you guys can see how I socialize. See me in action. The thing I hate is that these places get so loud and I get super shouty and sound yelling. So I like mine more like quiet, one-on-one voice better. To Uptown F. I don't know where that is. Headphones for cat ears.
Yeah, it's in Midtown. It's right there.
Yeah, it looks pretty fire, I can't lie. Now I'm gonna find Sour Mouse. I don't know where that is. Somewhere nearby. Oh, I found it. Yeah. Okay. 9:30. I go in here. Say hi. And then I should leave by 10. Good luck, Vanessa. Here comes it. Everything is green.
There's apparently a sugar mouse and a sour mouse. Oh, it's a fucking sour mouse instead of sugar. But the other one's like an hour later, or like a mile away, sorry. So fuck that, I'm going to Soho House. It's 9:30 anyways. Now's the time that I wanted to kind of go to Little Soho House. 700 feet away. 4-minute walk. This way. This way? Where? I also want to take a photo booth at some point too. I think that would be nice. Okay, for this, I don't really know what to expect. This looks like it, right? The only thing here that's lit up like that. Because I don't even know what Soho House is. What is it?
Wow, so
My analyst brought me. It was like 8 degrees.
Ludlow House? Special. Ooh, it's like all stuff and shit. Okay.
Yo, but do you have a converter? Like you convert the video? Yeah. How long does that
I want to say hi, but I don't want to say hi, then I'll probably dance next to him. So I need to find an excuse.
Yeah, bitch, I'm out.
I left Somehouse, said goodbye. I was trying to find this photographer. It's really tall. So many pictures of him. So I wanted to network with him. Videographer for some clubhouse. I wanted to stay for Zach Fox, but he went on at 12:30. The crowd just wasn't it. I was dancing by myself. I was having a fun time dancing by myself. But I was dancing by myself for 2 hours. I could not do that for another extra 2 hours, so I'm leaving. I was gonna go to my friend's party, which was like a 20-minute walk, but I think I'm just gonna go to this one. I don't want to tire myself out. I want to be able to go home at like a reasonable time, so I'm going to my friends and neighbors party. And also, I'm a little too sober. I want to say I'm really drunk. So, but right now, just have to do a little bit of a walk, and then I'm gonna go. Anyways, totally wrong.
that V Money?
Oh my god! Look at you right here on the steps. I was
Hello.
trying to find you. Hey!
Good to see you. Yo, how was
Wanna say hi?
Hello. I'm Brandon. I go by Trandon.
Brandon, yeah.
This is my V Money interview right now.
Right.
And my most personal experience
Right.
is when I was 5.
Okay.
And oh my god, no, it's cutting out.
Just kidding. I had to do it with the group. Huh? I had to do it with the group. I'm doing great. I don't know what you said. Oh, I'm glad you're here.
But then I think that they put beer in it.
Oh, you want to switch? What is that? Shit. Fuck. I'll give you half. What? It's terrible. It's like liquor. What's this? Hi, camera. I just got back up on vlogging for No, I like it. Alcohol right here. I got my wine. I'm not a wine girl, but I'm just drinking this shit to get drunk. Sorry. Yeah, my bad. I'm vlogging.
Hey, what's up? It's Maylee. I turned 26 in November, and
26.
in November, and I love my mom and I love music. People need to
Are
say
you a
that.
Scorpio?
Yeah.
Well, that makes sense. I'm a Libra. I don't know shit about signs.
What the fuck?
That's all I know. Yeah, say something.
Okay. Hi, camera.
Oh, that's all you need to say. Right. What are you Okay, the piercing. Yup. White hair.
Eyes are wide open.
Incredible. You got it. I love that tattoo. What is it? It's so cute. Incredible. There's a night mode too. Watch. Now it's green. Oh.
joke too. Are you smoking a weed? Dude, nice camcorder. Not a weed.
Thank you. Oh, you guys aren't?
No, we're not.
I'm too sober right now.
Do you want a cigarette?
No. I also like the skinny Japanese cigarettes.
Oh, that's real.
So that's my preference. I'm sorry.
Oh my god. I know.
They're smoking six. So let's go back inside. I'm gonna go back inside. It's cold. It's cold. I'm gonna DJ though. Yippee! Yahoo! Did you eat it? Did you eat any fried chicken or anything?
It's like, is someone eating an orange? Okay,
Hi guys, I don't remember the last thing that we talked about. I just know that there's some push-ups happening. I got a few Instagrams. I promised 3 people I'll go on a date with them. I'm not gonna go on a date with any of them. There's rats all over the fucking street. Oh my god, I just saw 6 of them. And I was, oh my god, there's more. And I'm trying to ignore them, but they're just all over the place. Anyways, I live in New York, I guess. My contacts are dry because I was sleeping in the Uber. But at some point, I think, I was like, you know what? I'm talking to way too many girls. I need to get more drunk. And so I just kept on drinking wine. And I fucking hate wine. And so now, my head hurts. There are so many rats. Oh my god, they're just everywhere. I just hear them. Anyways, now I'm walking home. It's a 5-minute walk home. It was a fun night. I wish I got to see Zach Fox. I wish I ate some like good food right now, cause like, you know, like every good night out deserves like some good food. And I wish I had like a buddy, you know, to go through this whole night with. But I felt like this night was like a solo night, and I just had like side quest friends around the time. But anyways, walking home right now. I'll talk to you in a bit. Thank you. Bye.